Welcome to the world united. Welcome to the world united.
हसनम अनंतरम शांतिम प्राप्तम भवति हास्कम प्राणिमात्रेषु मैत्री च सौख्यम स्नेहम दयाम तथा अनिंद्रम द्वेष्य नैरास्यम असंतोषच्च दुर्भगा हास्य योगेन दूरच्च न आयाति ही पुनस्तथा हसन कंठ मूले तत् चित्तवृत्ति निरोधका महिमा हास्य योगस्य मोदयन्ति च मानवा. Om. We start our life with our own cry, and we end our life let's other. So let's fill up this gap from love, from life to death, with full of love, happiness. This is a time for the action. Today, I remember there was a question for the youth. The youth needs action, karma. They can't sleep. They want some work, some action. They are karam yogi. We said karam yogi. They believe in karma. If we can't give them some work, we can't give them some action, we can't ask them to join us, to join this world of spirituality. Spirituality should not be bind in a books only. It should be in action. It should be in practice. It should be in our practical life, in my day-to-day life. The whole day I can be like that. How I can be? It's very simple thing. We are carrying our burdens, our problems with us always. And we are very problems, our burdens with us, we are just putting on others also. We are always live with a stressful world. The tension, the stress is increasing day by day. And then that stress and tension can't make me a simple, a gentle, a good person. A good person needs a happy and healthy mind, a healthy and happy body, and healthy and happy soul. And that can be come out when I feel really, actually, physically, mentally, in prana, in mana, in body, in atma, the happiness, the ultimate happiness. That is need. And how this happiness can come? It's very easy. Just make a laugh. Simple. When you laugh, you forget everything. Even you forget your name. You forget who you are, from where you are, where you are sitting, which post you are entertaining, whatever it is, everything is forget. Just start laughing and everything goes away. That is a situation of no mind. The ultimate situation. That is what we need when we go to meditation. It is. If just tell you to close your eyes and go for meditation, it will be very difficult. The moment you close your eyes, you started reminding everything, all the appointments, what has to do in the evening, where has to go tomorrow, what to do, from where I have to take money, to whom I have to pay. Everything will keep on reminding your mind the moment you close your eyes. But the moment you start laughing, everything will be forget. You forget everything. Nothing remains in your mind. That is the no mind, the highest situation. But we forget to laugh. And how we can laugh? There are two very simple ways to laugh. Generally, we laugh on jokes, isn't it? Right? When you are laughing on jokes, do you think is a good laugh? Normally, people say that laughing on jokes is good because it's a spontaneous laugh. It's a natural laugh. No, it's rather a bad laugh normally. Why? In north of India, the most of the jokes, almost 90% jokes we made on Sikhs community. Rest of the 10% on somebody's language, somebody's gender, somebody's posture, somebody's body. If somebody is more fatty, then we make a joke. If somebody is very thin, then we make a joke. All wives are making jokes on their husband, they are fools. All husbands are making jokes on their wives, they are fools. That's all. All on Pakistanis and think that all Pakistanis are not good person. All Pakistan making jokes on the Indians. So we are making jokes on others. And we think that through laugh on others, we can get happy. No, it's a bad laugh. It's a sarcastic laugh. It's a conditional laugh. And we should laugh unconditionally, like a child is laughing. You need not to tell any joke to a child. Just take a child in a womb or say, hello baby, hi, hello, hey, and child started laughing. It's very simple. Why? Why the child can laugh and I cannot? Why? This question is very simple. The answer is because my mind is stuck up with all the things I got it from my age. I have learned so many things. I have so many knowledge. I have so many thoughts, ideas and everything in my mind. It's full of mind, is stuck up, so I can't laugh freely. If I can laugh freely like a child, that is the best. That is what called yogic hasya. The Hasya Yoga is nothing. It's Sat Chit Ananda. Sat Chit Ananda. Acme of true pleasant sound. Ultimate happiness and inner pleasure. What is ultimate happiness? How we can happiness? We have to practice first. We have to be humble first. We have to be lovable, laughable people first. If there is no smile on my face, how can I can claim that myself, I'm a very good person. That should reflect from my nature, my attitude. I remember yesterday, a small incident. When I came here, I just sitting on the this first row. So somebody asked me for something else. I just stand up and talking. When I came back, somebody was already been seated there. There is a little bit of space. So I simply asked, you please move so I can also sit. He said, okay, you please sit there. So how can he claim himself to be a spiritual leader? How can? When this simple humility is not least in his body, his mind. There is a very simple difference between a religion and spiritualism. Very simple difference. A religion without jhanda and danda is spiritualism. It's very simple. When we don't have any flag or any pole, then it is a spirituality. But we are caring, we are Mathadish. We have so many followers with us. When we are going, we are making some type of posture, so many dramas, we are doing it. That is what religion. Religion needs drama. Spirituality is simple, pure. That is so simple to understand. But how it should be, make it practical. That is more important. Karthikeyan ji, it is so simple to tell everyone should be a spiritual person. How they can be? That has to be told. We have to tell them. We can't claim, we can't tell the youths are diverting, youths are not doing good things. Why? We have to give them some work. The action is required. We have to tell them how they can join the correct path. How can they make themselves pure? If everybody will start laughing here, the total mind goes zero. Then it will be pure. Automatically. Need not anything. You need not to say anything. Because the person who is laughing, who is loving to each others. A laughing person never fight with anyone else. Laugh has no gender, no language, no genity, no nationality, no boundaries at all. African is laughing and Indian is laughing. Both can talk each other. Very simple. I don't know the French language, but I can laugh like a French person is laughing. Both are laughing. There is no language at all. That is what spirituality is required. So I would like to just please move it. she forgets everything. Yeah, just move a little bit. Press it. 1, 2, 3. Just press it. Okay, then leave it. Because time is very short, so we don't go further in this if it is not ready. Okay, next. Anyhow, that is in Hindi, so the language script is not there. Next. The true pleasant soul. What is true? True by heart, by mind. Mera prana, my sharira. There are 5 koshes. The last kosh was Anandamay Kosha. Anandamay Kosha. Hasya Yoga is the key to open these all doors of different kosha. You can open all the doors and you go directly to the Anandamay Kosha through this laugh. But laugh should not be sarcastic. Laugh should not be conditional. I pay you 1,000 rupees, you can laugh? No. Somebody say, I won't laugh on 1,000 rupees. I laugh when I got 10,000 rupees, maybe. If I give you 10,000, you can laugh. If I give you 1 lakh rupees, you can laugh. But this is condition. You put a condition to laugh. If you won't get 10,000, you won't get 1 lakh, or you won't get 1,000, you can't laugh. You can't enjoy. You can't live happily on the earth. Have you come on the earth to cry? Have you come on the earth to anger? Have you come here to fight each other? No. This beautiful body is given by the nature to you. Now it is your duty to maintain this body. This body is rented. You are tenant in this body. Like you have taken a house on rent, you have to be maintain that house. If you buy a car, you maintain your car. So why should maintain this body? This body should be healthy, happy, and pure. How this body can be maintained? I give you some example through a practical demonstration. I would like to all of you to kindly join with me. So we could have some full-hearted, a childish laugh here, so we can make ourselves happy and pure. Right? Okay, I think we can join. You are ready to join with me? You are ready to laugh with me? Okay, I am also ready to laugh with you. Okay. So, here we laugh. I request volunteers to kindly open the gates. Because of so much vibrations will be developed here. So, the gates should be opened. Right, thank you. Please fold your both hands like this. Please, I request all of you to make kindly step little forward. Step little forward, yes. Leave your back on the seat. Little press your palm. Close your eyes for a moment. Take a long breath and chant Om once. Take a long breath first. Be a child, a small child. When you are just 5-6-year-old, just remember, just go in that age and see your mother, your father, your brothers, your elder sisters. And open your eyes with a laugh and say hello to each other, say namaste to each other with laugh. Well, full-heartedly, openly. So beautiful. Now you just take their picture of these people now. Now you take the pictures. You see the faces changes. Your soul, your prana, your atma, your sharira, everything gets changed just within a moment. Just have one laugh and you see the brightness coming on your face. It's so simple. So just open your hands. There are some acupressure points because this is a yoga exercises. So we clap in such a way to press these points. These points are good for BP, asthma, hepatitis, and especially for eyes. Just open both hands and chant with me, ho, ho, ha ha ha. There is a vocal cords, so this will be open. You don't have ये जो हम करते रहते हैं ना, ये बंद हो जाए. हो हो ha 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 ho 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 ho. Okay, thanks enough. I'll demonstrate only 5-6 exercise only. Much cannot be possible here because those some in lay down position, some in standing position, so many others. So we have some pranayama exercise. Put both hands here. Put your both hand on your knees. Both hand. I have this mic, so I can't put both. Kindly put your both hands in front row also. Please join with me. And this is silence laugh. Laugh silently. Okay? Take long breath. Hold for a while. And laugh silently without noise. Take long breath first. Hold for a while. And laugh silently. Close your mouth and take breath. Whenever you are inhale through nose, and when you are exhaling, you can exhale from both mouth and nose. Okay? Do it once again. Put your both hands here. Take long breath. Hold your breath for a moment. And exhale without noise, with laugh. Ho, ho, ha, 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 ho, ho. Okay, quite enough. Quite enough. You, most of them knowing very well Kapal Bhati. You knows? How many knows about Kapal Bhati? Okay. The simple theory of Kapal Bhati to just breathe out. That's all. Don't concentrate or breathe in. That will be automatically. You have to be concentrated on breathing out. So this exercise, I tell you the Hasya Kapal Bhati. We simply think the ha 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 ha. What is this he doing? Ha ha ha. It's nothing. No. There is so many inherent things in this ha ha ha. So just put your right hand on your belly. Put your right hand. Be straight. Don't back your push here. Just straight. Put your right hand on belly. If somebody had any operation of his heart surgery, please don't do it, this exercise. Put your right hand on belly and simply say ha. Just chant ha. You have the Kapal Bhati. Ha, 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 Thank you. Ha, ho. Ha, ho. Is it this Kapal Bhati? Yes, no? Somebody says no also. No? Isn't it? Okay. This is so simple. When you do, I know, just two more. I think they love to laugh actually. This is relaxing, na? Okay. And only two exercise, I know. Whenever you do or perform any yoga exercise, this is a very simple first thing you have to remember. The first source is sthira sukha asana mein. Sukha asana mein. We should be in a happy position. But what we are doing, somebodies are doing bhujangasana like this. This is not a good. This is not asana. This may be exercise. This may be a PT, but not yoga. You feel the happiness. Your mind should be happy. So I do just only two exercise. One is Tali Hasya is very special, very important. The people having, say, sugar problem, especially for them, this is very good exercise. We have to be clap in a very special manner. How we have to clap? Open your left palm and clap 5 times in one finger only. Then clap 5 times with 2 fingers, 3, then clap with laugh, right? Okay, we start, ready to start. How we'll clap for this, that you can understand after me, I'll tell you, because this is not much time to, I can explain everything. Okay, open your left palm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 3, 4, 5. Oh, your battery is charged? Battery is charged or not? So after this session, you can charge your battery little more by putting your hand on another palm, right? Okay, last exercise, I'll do you one more. That is Shabashi Hasya. Okay, so straight your hand. This is good for cervical pain. And this exercise we have to be do in a Vajrasana posture, right? Just open your hand, be straight, and appreciate yourself that you are in a wonderful place, you are in a wonderful conference. To praise yourself, Dr. Karthikeyan and Dr. Yugandhar, you can praise yourself by doubling, right? Okay? Right, praise yourself. Very good, very good, very good. Be straight. See, your face should be straight. Now from left side, straight, from left. Now from both and for both sides. Very good, very good, very good. Ha, ho! Ha, ho! And finally, open your first finger. What does it shows? Proud, yes. I am the most intelligent person in the world. I am the most spiritual guru of the world. I am the most beautiful lady of the girl. But this is not true. Very sorry to say. There are so many others. There are so many smart and bigger and smarter and beautiful than me. Open your thumb. Thumb represent for the fire. So anger, your ego, burn with the fire and praise each other. Say very good. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Everyone is beautiful. Everyone is big as one. Everyone is a guru. Everyone is spiritual leader. Very good, very good, very nice.